Hi, I'm Jeremy, and welcome to ShirtSpace, the shirt place. Today we're going to be talking about polyester.
Most people are pretty familiar with cotton as a t-shirt material, but are more uncertain at first when it comes to polyester. Today we're going to answer some frequently asked questions about polyester, so stick around to find out more. Polyester is a type of polymer that is made of long repeating chains of molecules. Polymers can be used to make plastic, fibers, and material. Polyester is a synthetic man-made fabric that can handle the tough elements of everyday use with ease. The benefits of wearing 100% polyester are that this material combines two ways to keep you dry. First, it will quickly move any moisture away from your skin and through the fabric. Then it will dry rapidly, which typically creates a cooling effect. This is pure magic. People who work strenuous jobs or out in the heat are likely to enjoy wearing a polyester shirt, as well as athletes that are regularly exercising. Some even offer UV protection from the sun's harmful rays. Some benefits of cotton polyester blends are that they provide more durability, reduced shrinking, have moisture-wicking fabric, and they wrinkle less while still providing the benefits of cotton: breathability, comfort, a sustainable material, and a more everyday look. Polyester can also look like durable workwear and outerwear as well as fleece, but for the purpose of this video, we are talking about polyester in regard to t-shirts. Generally speaking, polyester t-shirts will not shrink due to the fabric's synthetic makeup. It does not break down over time or biodegrade, so it maintains its integrity over time. A good rule of thumb is to never wash or dry polyester on extra high heat, as it will potentially wear down the fabric. Under most circumstances, polyester t-shirts should not fade even over many wears and washes. Polyester is made up of synthetic fibers that repel UV rays much more than other materials. Colors will stay vivid through the life of the shirt. Athletic, silky polyester t-shirts are usually wrinkle-resistant and stretchy. The sleek fabric can snag, but isn't prone to it. Many styles are made from snag-resistant fabric that provides even more peace of mind when it comes to tears and runs in the material. A few ways to prevent snagging include washing in cold water and washing inside out. We have over 180 moisture-wicking styles here at ShirtSpace, so there are a lot of styles to choose from. But some notable ones include the Sport-Tek ST358 hooded long sleeve. This t-shirt is great for cooler temperatures or when you need to protect your skin from harsh weather conditions. PosiCharge technology is moisture-wicking and versatile enough to wear year-round, and who doesn't love a long-sleeve t-shirt with a hood? The Sublivie line of shirts is an entire collection of tees for men, women, and kids and is made from 100% polyester, but it feels just like cotton. It's slightly see-through when left white, but it's great for all-over prints, especially sublimation. Then we have the Jerzees 21M, another great tee that is made from 100% polyester but also has that great cotton feel. It comes in more color options than the Sublivie tees with 11 colors to choose from, and it's an awesome choice for sublimation printing as well. We also can't leave out the Port & Company PC380. It's a great bargain for the price since it's extremely affordable, and it comes in 19 color options to choose from so you can match your color palette. It has a UPF rating of 50, so it's exceptional at blocking out the sun's harmful rays, making it a top choice for those working out in the sun. It's transitioning to a tearaway label, which is great for decorators, and it comes in adult, women's, youth, and long sleeve variations. Moving on, we wanted to mention the Sport-Tek LST356 tank top. This is a favorite of ours for ladies' workout tanks. It's very sleek and comfortable. It comes in 11 color options, and it has that same PosiCharge moisture-wicking technology that you know and love from Sport-Tek. And it also features a tearaway label for ease and comfort. Another great polyester t-shirt is the Core365 CE111. It comes in men's, women's, youth, and adult long sleeve and tall variations. With 15 color options to choose from, this ChromaSoft technology feels cotton soft and incredibly smooth. Moisture wicking and antimicrobial, no unwanted odor here. And if we're going to talk about polyester t-shirts, we can't leave out the Gildan G420 line. I'm wearing the G420L, but the G420 is great as a unisex option as well. It has 25 color options to choose from for the adult version and features Aqua FX technology for moisture wicking properties, as well as Fresh Care technology for antimicrobial properties. It has a cotton soft feel that decorators know and love, as well as their customers, and it's transitioning to a tearaway label, which makes it easier on everyone. Youth and ladies styles are also available. And then we have the Sport-Tek ST465. It has mesh accents that add to the breathability and style, a tag-free label meaning that the label is printed on the inside back neckline of the shirt, it's moisture wicking, and it's a high-quality garment that rivals retail products of a much higher price point. We have a variety of polyester shirts that feel more like cotton and less like traditional athletic polyester. Some of the top choices include the Jerzees 21M, Gildan G420, anything by the brand Sublivie. In this particular video, we showed you the S1910 and the Sport-Tek ST450. Because it is a synthetic material, polyester does not naturally bleach or dye easily. This means that you cannot tie-dye or bleach dye on shirts that have a lot of polyester in the material makeup. However, you can sublimation print, which permanently binds the fibers with the ink on polyester with great results. Polyester shirts are great for many apparel decorating methods. One of the most popular is sublimation printing. This method requires at least 65% polyester in order for the ink to bond with the garment. This is why polyester t-shirts are ideal for this method. You can also use polyester shirts with heat transfer vinyl and screen printing, making polyester very versatile among decorating methods. Polyester tees are generally not good for tie-dye or any other type of dyeing. This is because synthetic fibers do not absorb the dye. Remember how material wicks moisture away? It's also not a good material for embroidery since the fabric is so stretchy. The stitch design may warp over time. The fabric will not be able to stretch as intended with an embroidered design. You may find some success in cotton poly blends with these two methods though.
Thanks for taking the time to learn about polyester today. If you have any questions about polyester t-shirt decorating, we're here to help. Leave us a comment below on this video. We'll get back to you. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, put on notifications, and have a wonderful day.